Echoes in the morning, sunrise in the soul. Hear the ancient rhythm, let the freedom roll. Walking on the pavements, dreams beneath my feet. Shadows in the system try to knock me off beat, but I breathe in the spirit of the open sky. Every heartbeat drumming, we were born to fly. No more borders in my mind, no more iron gates. We're building up the future, led by love and faith. Rise up free, let your spirit be. Dance on the river, sing by the sea. Rise up free, lift your head and see. No one can lock the soul inside of me. Stories of the elders travel through the air. Strength within the struggle, wisdom in the prayer. Bass lines from the speakers break the heavy chain. Roots grow together, blessed by the rain. Glass in the alleyways, cold in the night. Still we keep moving, holding on to light. Rise up free, let your spirit be. Dance on the river, sing by the sea. Rise up free, lift your head and see. No one can lock the soul inside of me. Free like the wind, unstoppable, sound system rolling. Unbreakable, forward we go. Indestructible, freedom inside, undeniable. Children of tomorrow, writing in the sand. Truth in the rhythm, power in the hand. Sisters and brothers standing in the sun, calling out justice, freedom come. From city to valley, mountain to bay, we chant for the living, we chant